Okay, so for number 5 and 6, we are multiplying the following polynomials. So let's go ahead and multiply these out. So I'm going to take 6 times 3y to give me 18y, and 6 times positive 5 to give me positive 30. I'm not going to distribute the 6 and the negative 9 because it is not included in parentheses, but I will write negative 9y down because now I have to combine my like terms. I have 18y, negative 9y. When I add those together, I get a positive 9y plus 30. Okay, number 6. Looks like a lot of stuff. Just make sure you're being careful with your variables. 5 times 3a would give me 15a. 5 times negative 1 gives me negative 5. And now I'm going to distribute this negative 7a to everything on the inside. So negative 7a times 2a squared would be negative 14a to the third power. Okay, super important that you get that third power there. Then I'm taking negative 7a times negative 8a, which gives me positive 56, but a to the second power. Again, you're adding those exponents when you multiply. And the last one, negative 7a times positive 3, which gives me negative 21a. Now, after I've distributed, I can combine my like terms. So starting out with my highest exponent, let's start with my negative 14a to the thirds. There's no other a to the third power, so I'm going to start with negative 14a cubed. Then I'm going to move on to my next lowest exponent, which is my a squareds. So I'm going to have plus 56a squared. Now I can go ahead and combine my a terms. I've got 15a plus negative 21a. And when I add those together, I'll get negative 6a. And then I just have that negative 5 left over. So this would be my final answer for that problem.